didn't get a chance to vote. Oh well. Yeah. We'll just use Spider. I hate spiders so much. No, I'm innocent again. Why don't, you could only go through the open doors. Okay, wait. Wait. Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? I don't know. Who's the murderer? Is he the murderer? I don't know. Oh my god. Who is the murderer? She's the murderer. That girl with the black hair, I think. I think she's the murderer. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ooh, and there's a... Yes. Okay. Yay. So Elena, whatever Kitty Cat was the murderer and Crazy Gamer was the sheriff. Factory. Yes, factory. Get up here. I want to get up here. Okay. Please be murdered. Oh, I'm always innocent. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. Wait, my friend was the sheriff? No fair. I hope I'm sheriff or the murderer next time. Oh my god, I could stand on her head. Don't move. No. I need to get up here. Yes. Yes, I got up there. Now we have to vote. House. Oh my god, what just happened to my screen? Oh. Never mind. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I could just pretend that I'm innocent for a while. Yes. Yeah. Should I kill? Oh, he was the sheriff. Oh my god. I have to go over here because then it'd be like it was me. Yes. Someone might have the gun. Did someone get the gun? Okay, good. No. No. Okay, good. Go. Oh my god, where did they go? I'm scared of them getting the gun. Oh my god, no, that tree. Yes. Okay, he's the last. I have a minute left. Oh my god. He's tricky. Yes. Wait, there's one more? I bet it's hiding somewhere. Oh no, I have like 54 seconds left. Okay. Going big ball. Oh my god, no. Probably not gonna get them. Come on. Is there like a... What about down here? Please, someone. Someone. I need to win. Please. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I'm never gonna win. Literally. Wait. Oh my god. I can't find anyone. Wait. Is there like a hiding place somewhere? I don't know who survived. Oh, I forgot to check outside. Is he outside or what? Did I win? Okay. I got 5,600 XP. Rude. Wait. Fine, if you really want me to change my avatar. I'll just put the trendy hat on, whatever. Please. Yes, I'm a sheriff this time. I'm getting a little more lucky. After this round, I'm gonna probably... Wait, do you die if you step in? Well, I'm not gonna try. Who's it? Who's it? I'm so scared. Who's the murderer? I feel like it might be him because, like, nothing's going off. Oh god. Oh god, no. Oh my god. Okay, that doesn't make you die. Oh, I shouldn't have took my gun out. Oh, people would probably think that I'm the sheriff and then they'll probably aim for me. Is he it? has to be someone. Oh, I think it's that red guy. That guy in the red shirt, whatever. I think it's him. Hello?